In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a touch of personality and tone to your live chat replies while keeping things professional and on brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. If you prefer, you can simply search for HubSpot and click through to the login page. Sign in with your work account and complete any authentication prompts so you're taken to your HubSpot home screen. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one for your team before moving on. From the top navigation, click CRM. This brings you into the core workspace where you manage contacts, conversations, and more. Next, choose Inbox. The inbox is where all your conversations across channels live, making it easy to manage live chat, email, and other messages from one place. Inside the inbox, switch to the chat view. Here you'll see a list of active and recent chats. Click the conversation you're currently handling. This opens the message thread on the right and reveals the reply composer at the bottom of the screen. In the composer, look for the emoji icon along the bottom toolbar. It's usually to the side of the text field alongside formatting and attachment options. Click the emoji icon to open the emoji picker. You'll see categories and a wide selection to choose from. Take a moment to pick an emoji that matches the tone of your message. Something friendly, clear, and aligned with your brand voice. For example, a simple smile can soften a concise answer, while a thumbs up can confirm that you've handled a request. Avoid anything that could be misinterpreted or overly casual if you're in a formal context. Once you've selected your emoji, it will appear right in your reply field. You can place it at the end of a sentence for a subtle tone cue, or next to a short acknowledgement to keep your message concise and warm. If your message looks good, click send. Your customer will see the emoji in line with your text. Just like any other character, a few quick best practices as you use emojis in HubSpot: keep them purposeful, use 1 or 2 per message at most, and remember that emojis can render slightly differently across devices. When in doubt, stick to universally recognized options. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Now you're ready to use emojis in the HubSpot conversation inbox to add clarity and personality to your live chat responses.